Hey YouTube, it's ICU, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about Geohot and the new blog that he recently started. So here is a post about it on my website, besttechinfo.com. I will have a link to it in the more info, and you guys can check it out there. So basically, I'm just going to read this word for word really quick, and then I will go more into depth about talking about his blog and actually showing you guys his blog. So after talking to his lawyers, Geohot decided to start a blog to fight back. This is also Geohot's only real connection to the internet. He doesn't have a Twitter or any other blog to speak of. He plans to fight the corporate giant mano a mano with your help, of course. You might be asking the question, well, how can I help? This is simple. You can donate to him and help him hire an amazing lawyer, and you can also delete all your personal information from your PS3, email and call Sony to voice your complaints, and most importantly, stop buying Sony products. And also, if you want more information on this modern day battle of David and Goliath, you can check out his blog. So here is his blog, and to donate, of course, you just hit donate, and it donates through PayPal, which obviously is completely and totally secure. Again, you guys can come over here and you can read more about it and just read, like, for instance, what he thinks and how you can help him. And also right here, for instance, it says immediately stop buying any and all Sony products, including but not limited to all downloadable content on the PlayStation Network. So this would actually really help him out, because then, you know, Sony would obviously realize that it is because of this whole Geohot thing. And also, again, basically just what I said, make sure that you call Sony's technical support and email them and just complain to them. So I really do hope you guys donate and you guys help him out. And I also do really hope that Geohot pulls through this and that he wins. So this was just a quick video to let you guys know about Geohot's new blog and also how you can help him. So I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you think in the comments section below. And as always, be sure to rate this video up and subscribe if you aren't already. This is ICU, signing out.